We're here on the ground in Las Vegas, Nevada for SEMA Show 2025. We're going to cut the fluff and get you right to all of the awesome cars, trucks, and tricked out rides, both inside and out. Let's dive in together right now. So Larry Chen is here checking out this DeLorean, and Jay said there's a Ferrari engine in this thing. Look at that. So we can neither confirm nor deny that that's actually Chris Fix. But yeah, it's Chris Fix. So if you guessed 18 turbos, you're right. Probably one of the better uses I've seen for an HHR in recent memory. We found Tow Mater. Another power wagon. The suspension drop on this thing is just crazy. Real quick, some of the absurd trucks you'll see here, including this one. Jay is 6'2" for context, and look how tall that thing is, 6 doors and all. We got this awesome machine from Quake.
R35 GTR? So you don't look at any R35 GTR and Michael Hinckley's R35 GTR.
So we were walking by and Jay's like, those aren't headlights. And I was like, darned if they aren't headlights. So David Freiberger is here at the Gearstar booth. Really, really cool to see him. I was like, what's this van doing here right in the middle of all this? And then Jay said, oh, that's from Stranger Things. Then you have to see the speakers on the other side of this thing. We're here at the Battle of the Builders. We're going to check out a few of the cars around here.
Sorry, you know what? Oh, yeah. She's in the boys. So we had the crowd favorite this year. And then but our marketing and our...
We missed the unveiling of this guy, but an exceptional Mustang here. These taillights are crazy. I completely blew it on this. I was like, oh, look, there's an SS. And I was like, wait a minute, that's not a standard SS. Look at that.
Yeah. I guess.